Welcome to Africa Insight Official, where we bring you groundbreaking updates shaping Nigeria's future. Today, we dive into the features and benefits of one of Nigeria's most ambitious projects, slated to begin February 2025.
Geometry teaches us that a straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. Don't be afraid. We will do this road. 700 kilometers. It will be a success for Nigeria, and we'll do more of this.
Hello and welcome. Nigeria is on the verge of a transportation revolution with the Lagos-Abuja superhighway and high-speed train project. This visionary $16 billion initiative is a game-changer for connectivity and urban development. Here's a closer look at what's in store. 1. 500-kilometer dual project linking Lagos, Abuja, and 7 other states, creating seamless travel and logistics. 2. Implemented under the innovative design, build, finance, operate, and maintain model, ensuring long-term efficiency. 3. A high-speed rail line with a double-gauge system capable of speeds up to 250 km per hour, reducing travel time between Lagos and Abuja to just under 3 hours. 4. A state-of-the-art 8-lane superhighway with 2 service lanes and 13 tolling points for smooth travel. 5. Integration of smart cities, 1 million housing units, and an independent power plant to support growth. This project doesn't just connect cities, it connects opportunities, growth, and a brighter future. And that's not all. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project is also set to redefine Nigeria's economic landscape. Here are the 10 benefits as outlined by President Bola Tinubu.
Everybody, they say, wants a good highway, but no one wanted to go through their backyard or through their land. I thank you tremendously. The chairman of ITEC, Ambassador Gilbert Chaguri, and my partner in daring, Engineer Roland Chaguri, we work together to tame the Atlantic and turn a disaster into great assets of great value. Together, we lost weight, we took abuses, but we tamed the Atlantic. We achieved our goals. Yeah, again, we are in it together. Thank you, Roland, for being who you are. A particular stakeholder, responsible corporate leader, Aliko Dangote, thank you for understanding your faith and investment in Africa and the capacity, enduring capacity to navigate the stormy water of business. Yes, Nigeria is going through a patch. We depend on you to continue to invest so that other people will emulate and copy your example. Thank you, Aliko. Distinguished senators, to me, today is my day to brag. Whether you like it or not, you are here. And the hope is here. You have Ashibaju and you have Dave. The deal is done. The dream is realizable. Set on a journey determined to build a nation of prosperity. Embark on bold endeavor so that your country can be successful. Generations yet unborn can have a good landmark, a memory to treasure. and good understanding to copy, good education to promote the other generations. I said earlier, it's my bragging day. We said, we will do this road. We are determined to do it. The way we are going, we have a road that will outlast us and outlive all of us here present. That is how to build the future. The project is just more than a mere road. It's a symbol of hope, unity, and prosperity. It will connect communities, bring prosperity to people, create opportunity for millions. Where at it? Look to the right side of the road, you have opportunities. Hold on to the left side of it, you have prosperity. For our nation to excel, we just have to be bold and courageous in our endeavors. Thanks to ITEC for believing in us and believing in the country, Nigeria. Not just talking about Lekki, Deep Sea Port and other economic opportunity along that coast. What a 700-kilometer road, concrete paved road, will bring is just more than imaginable. I go on the next 10 benefits of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. During the period of construction, the road will provide direct employment for thousands of people and indirect employment for tens of thousands of artisans and more. Economic opportunity for millions is being opened. It will fast-track the community development. It will bring development closer to the people and give 30 million people improved access to production and marketing centers. You can easily predict a journey vertically and go along the horizontal line and do the definition of your geometry. But free movement of people. Geometry teaches us that a straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. Go for it. How can you exploit the maritime industry of this country if you don't embark on bold endeavors? Luckily, you read in the papers that the United Nations has just approved the extension of Nigeria continental shelf. Take advantage of it. To me, establishment of more export processing zones along the coastal states is a must. The security in our region will be improved. Don't even just talk of tourism. This is an endeavor that you cannot just estimate the opportunity that awaits us. You don't have to travel again to Miami and all that. We have better weather and more sunshine. And then you can open various shops and economic warehouses. We protect the shoreline. And I'm glad Ondo governor is here. He's been running away from the ocean surge I wonder whether you were able to campaign there yet. The potential of this road is enormous. We have two spurs which will link up the Badagry-Sokoto Expressway. It's under procurement activities right now. I hope the PRAMSEC works will accelerate the action and design on this, Dave. The financial model is being spelled out. I commend the Honorable Minister of Works once again. Like I said, it's my bragging day. Don't be afraid. You and I together, we hold Nigeria a very bold endeavor. Please share with me. Share in the joy. I am a very happy man today. Thank you very much.
Stay tuned for more updates as Nigeria embarks on these transformative projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights.